Cashews. Tiny, smooth, and delicious. But did you know they're one of the most labor-intensive snacks to produce? Here's a twist. They're not even nuts. That's right, cashews are seeds, carefully harvested from an unusual fruit that most of us will never see. But the real story isn't just about where they come from, it's about what happens next. The transformation from a hard, toxic shell to the perfectly roasted cashew you enjoy is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a journey that combines cutting-edge machinery, human skill, and a whole lot of precision. So, how does it all work? How do mega factories handle thousands of these delicate seeds every day without missing a beat? Stick around, because we're about to crack open the secrets behind one of the world's most fascinating foods. The origin of cashews. Cashews begin their story in tropical regions across the globe. From the lush landscapes of India to the sun-soaked orchards of Vietnam and the vibrant farmlands of Africa. These areas provide the perfect environment for cashew trees to thrive. Warm temperatures, plenty of rainfall, and rich soil. But here's the fascinating part. Cashews don't grow like other nuts. Instead, they hang beneath a bright, pear-shaped fruit called the cashew apple. This fruit is juicy, sweet, and edible, though it rarely makes it to markets outside the regions where it grows due to its delicate nature. The cashew seed, the part we know and love, rests in a tough, kidney-shaped shell at the base of the apple. Harvesting these seeds is no small task. Workers must carefully pluck them by hand to avoid damaging the fruit or the fragile nuts. From here, the raw cashews embark on a long journey, traveling thousands of miles to mega factories, where the real transformation begins. Arrival at the mega factory. When raw cashews arrive at a mega factory, it's a sight to behold. Picture towering piles of these shell-covered seeds waiting to be transformed into the creamy snacks we know and love. This is no small operation. It's a carefully orchestrated system designed to process thousands of tons of cashews every year. The first step? Sorting. Each batch of cashews is meticulously graded by size and quality. Advanced machinery scans the nuts with incredible precision, ensuring only the best make it through. But here's the kicker. Even with cutting-edge technology, some parts of the process still rely on the human touch. Experienced workers oversee every step to guarantee nothing is overlooked. Next, the sorted nuts move into massive steam chambers. This is where things heat up. Steaming softens the tough outer shells, making them easier to crack open. It's a critical step as those shells contain a toxic oil that can cause burns if handled improperly. From here, the nuts flow through a maze of conveyor belts, robotic arms, and skilled hands, all working in perfect harmony. This isn't just a factory, it's a well-oiled machine that combines efficiency, precision, and craftsmanship to turn raw cashews into a product ready for the next phase. Step-by-step breakdown of the process. The transformation of raw cashews begins with sorting and grading. When the cashews arrive, they're first inspected for size, quality, and any defects. Machines equipped with advanced sensors scan thousands of nuts in minutes, separating them into categories. But machines aren't perfect. Skilled workers often step in to ensure no subpar nuts make it through. Once sorted, the cashews head to steam roasting, where the real work starts. Inside large chambers, the nuts are exposed to high-pressure steam. This softens their tough, kidney-shaped shells, making them easier to handle, but there's a catch. The shells contain a toxic oil called anacardic acid. This oil can burn skin and damage machinery, so every step here is carefully monitored to ensure safety. After steaming, it's time for shell removal. This step blends high-tech machinery with traditional methods. Some factories use mechanical crackers that precisely break the shells without damaging the delicate nuts inside. In other places, skilled workers still perform this step by hand, demonstrating remarkable speed and precision. With the shells gone, the cashews move to drying and peeling. The nuts are gently dried to reduce moisture content, making them easier to store. Then they undergo peeling, where the thin, papery skin surrounding the cashew is removed. This process can be done mechanically or manually, depending on the factory's setup. Next comes grading and quality control, a critical stage. The cashews are graded yet again based on size, color, and texture. The largest, most pristine nuts are set aside for premium products, while smaller or less uniform ones might be used in snacks, trail mixes, or processed into cashew butter. Every nut is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards before moving to the final phase, adding value, flavors, roasting, and packaging. Now that the cashews are ready, it's time to turn them into the irresistible snacks we love. The first step is roasting, where the nuts are cooked to perfection. Some are dry roasted to preserve their natural flavor, while others are roasted with oil for a richer taste. Temperature and timing are critical here. Even a slight misstep can result in an overcooked or bitter nut. Next comes flavoring, where the magic really happens. Cashews are coated with everything from classic sea salt to bold spices, sweet honey, or even chocolate. Factories use specialized tumblers to ensure the seasoning evenly coats every nut. This step requires precision. A little too much seasoning and the cashew's natural flavor is overwhelmed. Too little and it tastes bland. Once flavored and roasted, the cashews move to packaging. Airtight bags, resealable tins, or vacuum-sealed packs are used to preserve freshness. Factories also cater to different markets, preparing bulk shipments for grocery stores and smaller, high-end packages for gourmet brands. Every package undergoes a final inspection to ensure it meets quality standards. From there, the cashews are boxed, labeled, and shipped worldwide, ready to delight snack lovers everywhere. The journey from tropical orchards to your pantry shelf is complete, and each cashew carries the story of this incredible process, the human touch. Behind every perfectly roasted cashew is a team of dedicated workers whose skill and precision make it all possible. While factories rely on advanced machines for efficiency, certain parts of the process simply can't be automated. Removing the shells without damaging the delicate nut inside often requires the practiced hands of experienced workers. These individuals can crack, peel, and inspect thousands of cashews every day with unmatched speed and accuracy. Their work doesn't stop there. Quality control teams carefully inspect every batch, ensuring only the best cashews move forward. Their trained eyes can spot imperfections that even high-tech scanners might miss. But it's not just about precision. It's about sustainability and ethics too. Many megafactories have implemented programs to support their workers, offering fair wages, safe working conditions, and benefits for their families. In some regions, cashew processing provides vital employment opportunities, empowering entire communities. So, while machines might handle the heavy lifting, it's the people behind the scenes who ensure each cashew meets the high standards we expect. They're the unsung heroes of this extraordinary process. Fun facts and surprising stats. Did you know it takes 4 pounds of raw shells to produce just 1 pound of cashews? The global cashew market is worth over $10 billion, with India and Vietnam leading production. Even the shell oil is repurposed for industrial products like brake fluid. Plus, cashews are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals. That tiny snack is a powerhouse packed with effort, ingenuity, and nutrition. The next time you enjoy a cashew, remember the incredible journey it took. From tropical orchards to a mega factory and finally to your hands. It's more than just a snack. It's a story of nature, craftsmanship, and innovation. Let us know what food journey you'd love to explore next. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories behind the foods you love.